Customer Experience Management Training, Workshop Training Programs. Values of Customer Experience Management Training. Presented by Tonex Training. What is customer experience management? In commerce, customer experience is the product of an interaction between an organization and a customer over the duration of their relationship. Customer Experience Management, SLA, Quality of Service, GOES, and Quality of Experience, CO, are terms often used loosely and sometimes even interchangeably. Why customer experience management is essential. Customer experience management includes all practices to plan, design and react to customer interactions. Customer experience management has the power to increase customer satisfaction, loyalty and advocacy of your services and brand when meeting or exceeding customer expectations. Learning opportunities. Learn more about customer experience management concepts, service level agreements, SLAs, grade of service, GOES, class of service, is, quality of service, GOES, and quality of experience. Who should attend this course? Course designed for. Customer Experience Management Training course has been designed for anyone who is interested to learn more about customer experience management, GOES, CO, and those who plan, create, design and implement service agreements. Course topics. Introduction. NGN Reference Architecture. GOES Building Blocks. GOES Building Blocks. GOES versus CO. Impact of GOES and CO. Concepts behind GOES and COs. Service level agreements, SLAs. Generic structure of SLAs. SLA performance metrics. GOES and CO measurement. Case study and workshops. Want to learn more? Call Tonex today at 1-972-665-9786 or visit tonex.com for customer experience management course and workshop detail.